Hi, good morning. Today we are going to represent our mock interview assignment on job search and success. My name is Ignesh and my friend Anil. We both are going to do this mock interview together. Firstly, Anil will ask me some questions regarding the job role and the position. Yeah,
Okay, thank you. Thank you for having me. And I'm going to ask you some questions to know you better. So, first question is tell me about yourself and your
sure.
skill.
Yeah, sure. Firstly, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for the position of developer for the crack interview role. My name is Jignesh, and I'm a full-time master student at Toronto campus in here in Toronto. And my aim for applying to this developer role is to utilize and improve and enhance my skills, where and my growth to the learning as well. So I applied for this role, and I'm looking forward to work with the organization to improve my skills as well.
Yeah, nice. So, any crucial part which demonstrate your skill, how you communicate with other people, and how you demonstrate your skill, what you learn.
Yeah. So Recently, I've worked one of the project as an intern at Crack Interview, where I'm in the role of full stack developer, and I'm played as a team member. Where we actually built the website from scratch. It's basically AI powered interview platform where we have to build different microservices on that, like chatbot services, one-on-one mentoring services, and the front end and the back end part. Where I was working with a team of four people, where we worked basically on the front end part, where I used some of my skills which I've gained through my previous projects and experience in college, which was React.js, Node.js, and chatbot services, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Through this, I gained a lot of experience and the knowledge of working as a full stack developer in the crack interview. And we worked on the Jira as well for the collaborative management development software. And I gained a lot of experience. It was a wonderful uh, experience for me. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So, how you handle working in a team? How you collaborate with team, especially?
So, for collaboration, I personally prefer communication will be the key for collaboration. Because we recently had, when I'm doing my internship, it was remotely actually. So, whenever the team manager or the project manager assign some tasks, we use the divide and conquer rule. Like we assign each task to each person based on their skills and uh, based on their skill sets. So after the project manager assigned all the tasks, we used to communicate with each other so that there should be no any gap or no any problem issues for the future work. So one of the problem which we faced is I worked on the React JS and the Node.js as a backend, but one of my teammate eventually he used Express.js as the backend, and which while routing the entire website, we got an issue and we cannot able to resolve it. Then again we reach out to the manager, and the manager formed a meetup, and we discussed all these issues and it got resolved finally. But I believe that communication will play the major role in collaborating with the team. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And like, do you have any like what the manager? Do you get some feedback from senior during the project?
Yeah, like while working on the internship, I got one-on-one mentoring. We had like daily meetups and weekly meetings to discuss our project and what we are facing, any issues or not. So it was like very helpful as an intern. Like they used to teach everything wherever you got stuck, and it was very helpful for me as well to improve my skills.
Okay, nice, nice. So, in your role, what you lesson you learned from there? Can you tell me two or three?
Yeah, so the first thing is the working culture at the workplace. Like how the first thing is how to manage time. Because as a student, we need to manage both the college as well as the internship work. So I learned time management skills there, where I used to set a time and finish off the work whichever is given. And the second thing I would say is creating networking and learning my skills and to build up the to growth and build up the enhance my skills as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. Okay, so overall you are good. So, do you have any question for me?
Yeah, so I just want to know that what kind of current projects you are working on, and as mentioned in the that's one of the question, and the second question is as mentioned in the job description that it would be like 7 to 8 hours per week the working hour. If there is any responsibilities that I can do much more work to increase my skills and the working hours, it would be really helpful.
Okay, nice. So, we are hiring a full stack developer, mostly as a front end, but you have to responsible for back end as well. And your role will be collaborating with the team. Yes, and to counter your point like working hour, so firstly we see your performance how we are doing, and according to that I will try to increase your working hour so that you will get good pay. And yeah, in this way first we will hire you, and then according to your behavior and experience.
Hi, so now I will ask you some questions for the mock interview. So are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So hi Anil. So as you have applied for the full stack developer role with AI powered integrated at CIBC, so can I know why are you interested in this role?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you for having interview me. And my name is Anilsa. I am just doing postgraduate at Lambton College. And to explain why I'm interested in that role, because I have a 2 year experience in full stack, and now I have almost completing my AI ML course in Lambton College. So I have a knowledge of full stack as well as AI, and that's why I can connect with both. So I will be the bridge to join the full stack and AI as well. So and in the previous time I have completed many projects like making e-commerce website and management tool, many more. So that's I think I will be eligible for that, and I have a lot of passion in that field.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Good to know that. So, so one more thing. What's your experience with, as you said, mentioned you want to work as a full stack. Can I know what's your experience with front-end technologies and like how do you ensure that you are building a good user experience with integrating AI features in it?
Okay, well, so as I mentioned earlier, I have a 2 year experience in full stack. Mostly I handle the front end, especially with React as a front end, and Node.js and Express in the back end. So I have worked back end as well and front end as well. So my experience with the team is very good. We created many e-commerce website so that we can display a good user experience. And in that time I work as well as the AI integrated model with the content so that we can track the user activity in our website. Like for example, if someone came to our website and click some product, and which level they are going through, like they are just clicking showing price and uh, leaving that product, or they are going to click that order. We are just going to track every activity on our website so that we can understand the data, how the user experience is communicating and navigating in our website, so that we can improve our model and the front end experience, what the user experience are liking or not liking. In this way we worked, and eventually we got like 10 to 15% increment in our sale by implementing such model. So I think I'm will be eligible for that role you are offering me. Yep.
Great, great, amazing. So, as you described one of the projects that you are working with your team and like building some of the e-commerce, so I would just like to know that can you explain it much more briefly about the project that you have worked, which is integrated with AI?
Yeah, so first we create our model so that it can track the user experience in our website. Like for example, uh, as I open Amazon.com, so I click a project, I see the price, and I reject that one and go I see the cheaper price, and I will select that one. So from this activity, I can our model is understand this user is looking for cheaper product, so we can recommend them some cheaper product, especially according to their age group. In this way, our model track down their user experience and recommend according to their need. And we also customize the front end, like if the user is good with this experience, so they spend little bit time. If they are flipping faster, so we have to work on that to make it more user experience. So in this way we track down user experience, and like majority of the people are not liking to stay more than 1 minute 2 minute, so that means we need to change our custom. So in this way we experiment many, and finally we design the optimal model, and so that we also gain some increment
Yeah.
in the sale. Yeah.
Great, great. Good to know. So, as you guys worked as a team, so did you guys faced any challenges, and how do you like handle if you face any problem or challenges working in a team?
Like the communication in that team, I realized communication is the one of the main tool to communicate and making good relation with the team. And we need to know how we can communicate, how we can ask the right question so that we can minimize the confusion. So the communication is the first thing I realize it's the challenges, and we thoroughly improve this one. And other thing is like while interacting with the AI model and front end, we have a lot of difficulty how to check the real time activity, and we can respond immediately through our AI model. So in that part also we find some difficulties, but with the collaboration of team, we able to solve this one also.
Yeah, I got it. Cool. So, well, Anil, it was good meeting to you and knowing more about yourself. So, do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, can you tell me about the payment size and working hour, please? Because there
Yeah.
I'm confused that time.
Yeah, so as it is described in the job description that you should work, it is a full-time role. So you need to work 40 hours per week, and your pay will be 35 to 45 uh, dollar per hour, based on the skills and experience you have. So yeah, that's the thing.
Okay, okay, no problem. Thank you.
So is that all questions you got?
Yeah, but I have expectation also. Can we extend it $100 per hour?
Yeah, we can do that, but we are actually hiring for a junior developer role, so it would be the maximum pay that we are that the company is actually giving. So we'll discuss it later once you got on board and you got selected. Yeah, we'll discuss with the HR.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much
Yeah, thank you so
for the
much.
time.
Yeah, have a good day. Thanks.
Thank you.